Good morning, my name is Aree. Today I'm going to present my work, which is investigation of the composite behavior of carbon gas hybrid composite with 4-point fractional test. As is outline of today my presentation. And the first thing I will talk about is the aim of my study. I have two main of my study, which are investigated composite failure of glass hybridized with high modulus carbon fiber and glass hybridized with standard modulus carbon fiber. And I'm going to investigate the failure mechanism of hybrid composite with different absolute carbon fiber thicknesses. My experiment contains two different hybrid systems, which are S-glass hybridized with M55 and S-glass hybridized with TC33. Each hybrid system contains three different hybrid configurations, which are single pi case, double pi case, and 16 pi case of carbon fiber. My test used the sandwich beam containing top surface as the hybrid composite core material and bottom skin, which made of IM7F552. In terms of experiment, I used 4-point bending fixture with instrument testing machine. And the previous study showed that the Largo roller can mitigate the localized loading nodes from roller failure. And to observe the strain, I used the strain gauge attached on the top surface and the bottom surface to observe the strain of the material. And this is the result that I got from M55 hybrid composite. So when you can see the left-hand side photo, this is the response from the single pi case of a composite. So you can see that it produced nonlinear, including knee point that I used the arrow to point out. And when I increase the number of carbon fiber applied to be double pi case and 16 pi case, you can see that the response is still nonlinear, but without the point. And I used optical microscope to observe the failure characteristics. So you can see that the failure is shift from fiber fracture, which is from single pi case, to be single crack with king band on the 16 pi case. And just again, we can observe that the number of carbon fiber applied would decrease the composite strain of the material. And I compare my experiment result to previous study, and I can conclude that single pi case creates small carbon fragmentation, and the composite strain value is similar to previous study. It has been done on direct compression. And in terms of 16 pi case, I observed the single laminate crack, and the composite strain value is similar to previous study that has been done on pure bending test. And this is the overall summary of the experiment result that I got from TC33. So all of them create nonlinear response, including king band which is occur from all of three cases. And again, the higher number of carbon fiber applied would decrease the composite strain of the material. And the conclusion of my study is composite behavior and the failure strain are affected by the thickness of low strain fiber material or the ratio to thickness of high strain fiber material, including fiber types. And the proper high strain to low strain fiber system could increase the composite performance of hybrid composite, as you can see from both hybrid systems. At the future work, I have planned to study in composite behavior of carbon hybrid composite. And I will use all three hybrid systems to develop the understanding of composite behavior of hybrid composite as well. And I'm going to create damage mode map under composite loading. And it's different of my presentation. And feel free to ask a question at my poster. Thank you.